Hola, estudiantes. Hello, students. This is a short video to show you how you can use subtitles when you are in a live video conference with your teachers. So the first thing you need to do when you go into the meeting is look here on the bottom right of the screen and click on Turn on Captions. And so you can see on the bottom of the screen that you can read my words as I say them. So what you can do now, though, is to right-click on your computer. If you have a Chromebook, you might have to do a two-finger tap to right-click. And so you click on here where it says translated. And if it's not already set to your language, you can choose change language and pick your native language and click done. And now you can see that as I am speaking, you can read the words I am saying at the bottom of the screen in your native language.